What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. So today I'm going to process a live take profit trader withdrawal and then lead into a discussion on overcoming psychological barriers, specifically accepting losses, respecting risk, and developing emotional control to stay disciplined. I'll also share the steps I'm taking to rewire my brain for disciplined trading because even though I got this payout, I blew my pro accounts again. And it ultimately comes down to my lack of discipline, failing to accept losses, respect my risk management plan, and follow rules. But first, let's process this payout. And regarding my risk management plan, my system is built around a fixed 30 tick stop loss on gold, aligned with market structure. Trading one mini contract. And on paper, it's simple. Okay, so your payout has been submitted successfully. So on paper, it's simple, right? But in practice, I'm still struggling with discipline and emotional control in the heat of the moment. But I believe this can be fixed, but it won't be easy. My plan is to rewire my brain over time through desensitization practice, starting with paper trading, then test accounts, and finally funded accounts. It's uncomfortable to train discipline, but that discomfort is actually good for us. Discipline means doing what we're supposed to do, regardless of how we feel. Right now, there are times when my emotions hijack my decision making and I don't follow the trading plan. Instead of sticking to one contract and a 30 tick stop loss, I'll set a 50 tick stop loss or more and even add contracts. A few trades like that can blow an account, especially after a withdrawal. And the crazy part is, even after long streaks of being disciplined, I still find myself breaking rules. One of my biggest challenges is following my stop. When I do, it feels so uncomfortable that I literally have to physically separate myself from the screen and let the trade play out. It's almost like a fight or flight response. And as humans, we're naturally afraid of losing, even though in trading, losses are actually good for us. Accepting loss and respecting risk protects our accounts. And if I had consistently followed my system, I wouldn't be blowing up nearly as often. And the struggle isn't just about managing risk, it's also about resisting impulses. When I act impulsively once, it usually snowballs into more bad decisions, and that cycle is what I'm working to break. I'm also journaling every trade, keeping separate journals for TPT, MFF, paper trading drills, and even one just for emotions. Even with paper trading, following rules still feels uncomfortable, but it feels less intense than in test or funded accounts. 2 years into this journey, I can see how many bad habits I've built, and now I'm focused on rewiring them. The plan moving forward is clear, but it's not easy. Stick to one mini contract, 30 tick stop loss, trade only within my time window, do my morning routine before looking at the charts, and journal every execution. I'll track where discipline breaks and what emotions cause them, so I can identify patterns that lead to destructive habits. From there, I can put guardrails in place to prevent self-sabotage. Once my trading window at 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is over, I'll switch to paper trading in the afternoon for drills and desensitization practice. The tricky part is resisting the urge to jump back into live trades when I see setups during study sessions. That's another mental battle I'm learning to overcome. And by sharing this process, I hope it encourages other traders to work on their own psychological barriers. And that's it for the video. Take care, be safe, and good luck out there.